before seeing, what scene are we doing here?
I think because we're under the Bimini, the lighting is going to be.
Could be very weather.
What's up? How you doing today? We're out here doing it again. We're in our happy place. It's a beautiful day. So today we're putting in at the Bay Vista boat ramp. It's down in Pinellas Point at the very tip of Pinellas County, and we'll put her on over to Fort De Soto, one of our favorite places to hang out. We have great weather. We have no waves. It's like a lake out here. There is no waves. There is no wind. It's probably 85, 90 degrees. Looking at a water temp of 85. Jason's standing over there. Oh yeah, I don't know what he's doing over there. We're gonna mix it up a little bit today. We did have a comment on one of our recent videos. Scott said you should make some cooking videos. We're not a cooking channel, but we do enjoy cooking. We just recently had sushi night. We love sushi night. You usually see us making beach burgers, boat burgers, and Publix subs. We love a pub sub. Today we're mixing it up, and today we are having cheesesteaks. Like a Philly cheesesteak, right? So I kind of like brought all the veggies that I like on a cheesesteak. I cut up some like mushroom, green peppers, onions, jalapenos, all that jazz. And then we brought some ribeye, and we're gonna like throw it on the grill and make some cheesesteaks out here on the water. It should be fun. We hope you join us. It's a beautiful day in Tampa Bay. Let's get into it. Kind of a cool view. We can see Egmont over there. We're going to be able to see all the marine traffic heading out of Tampa Bay. They're going out to the Gulf.
You want to try to get away with one anchor? You want me to try to use two? Meet up with the umbrella over there. Here. Oh, thank you, babe. So this is the north side of Fort De Soto. So if you're driving here by car, you'd come in. What the hell?
I didn't know that was going to happen.
Oh, of course. So if you were going to come here by car, you would turn to the left instead of going right. So we've never been here. We're coming here by boat. We were going to go around to our typical spot, but we've seen this here for a while. I've been wanting to check it out just to see what's up, and it's kind of nice. We got the Skyway in the distance. Anna Maria over there. And then we have Egmont off in the distance. Relaxing here, we got the umbrella, the beach chairs. We're on shore here at Fort De Soto. Really nice, there's nobody around, so just gonna enjoy it. We got a little storm cell off in the distance. Kim's gonna check the radar just to get an idea of which way it's going. I think we're gonna be fine, to be honest. And then we're gonna start picking up those, what do we call those, boat cheesesteaks? Boat cheesesteaks. We're gonna get on the grill, we'll set that all up. We'll get the, Kim's gonna be doing the vegetables. I'll be doing the meat. That's just how we do. So we'll get that going. So what's the storm say? Yeah, it's not showing us. Normally it would show like going by.
We'll be all right.
We're all right.
We'll be all right.
We'll be fine. If we're not, then we're not.
We get wet, right?
We get wet. Yeah. So we're gonna be. It's not like we're gonna move. You know, we're just gonna. Not like we're gonna go anywhere. So we're just gonna kind of chill. We're gonna pretend that we know what we're doing. So chill here. Maybe we'll explore this little area here and see what's going on.
What's up?
So what do you think so far?
It's not bad. It's not bad. I like the side. It's different. There's, I don't. Is that a trail or no? I don't see any trails.
Piece of wood.
It's cool looking.
Yeah, that's really cool. It's very primitive and stuff.
Those sea grapes?
Yeah, so there's sea grapes. This is cool. I like it.
Kind of looks like the rangers do come down here because I see some tracks.
Yeah. See the tracks there. I mean, it looks like it's like a little four-wheeler because of the distance. Let's come down here, make sure everyone's being all right. Definitely a cool area, Fort De Soto. See what's up here. Ooh. We're gonna get those sandwiches going. It's gonna be awesome. So. We got Chef Kim.
Hi. Hi.
So we got that. So what are you doing first? We're gonna do the
Here's some veggies.
veggies.
Hi.
You got your veggies.
See that? Some oil. Alright. Let those get hot. Chef Kim in the house.
With our Magma grill.
Magma grill. That's the Magma. Yeah, it needs to heat up. Go on here, and then I'm gonna do some veggies, and then those veggies will be for nice and yummy. Nom, nom. go. Ooh, yeah, we got some onion, some mushroom, we got peppers. There's jalapenos in here too. I did season them. It'd be cool if we had some seasoning here, but I seasoned them. I pre-seasoned.
What did you use for the pre-season?
Salt and pepper on the veggies.
All right, so salt and pepper only on the veggies.
Correct. And then the meat that you're going to be cooking up has
garlic, salt, and black pepper. And we're using olive oil here today. So we got those going. So how long do you think the veggies are going to take?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. And then after a couple minutes in, we'll go ahead and we'll throw that meat on there and get that going. And then we've got the buns, we got the cheese. Normally if we were at home, we would be doing this. I'd be melting the cheese in the toaster oven. But you know, we're out here on the boat, so we're gonna try something a little bit different.
Never done this before. We've never done this before. This is an experiment, but it's food, right?
Yeah, I think it's a cool idea. So thank you, Scott. Thank you, Scott, for suggesting this. This is kind of, so we're not like an official cooking channel, but we definitely know how to cook. We are a cooking family. We cook most of our meals. Last night we made enchiladas. We had sushi the past couple nights, so.
It's a lot of veggies though. I think next time I can bring like a little pat of butter. I could have put it right in here with it.
Yeah, we'll give it a minute.
A pat of butter.
All right, so now I'm gonna start putting some oil in my pan here for the meat. Oh, shoot, I'm gonna go all over the place. Oh, yeah.
All right, we're getting a little bit done here. It's finally. It smells. I got it.
What kind of cheese we got?
I got provolone and American. We're gonna do a blend here. So there's the provolone and American.
And, okay.
And let that melt.
All right, so we're gonna let that cheese melt for a little bit. We're almost done here. Oh, people be hungry too. People be hungry and thirsty.
Are you gonna want me to like toast these?
You could.
Because I have to take
yeah, you just take one off. Well, normally at home we would toast these buns, but we're gonna skip toasting them. Yeah, skip toasting them this time. Also, if we were at home, I'd be whipping out that au jus. That thing allows you to do a little dippy. So we're out here on the boat. We're still learning. So if you guys cook up on your boat, what do you guys do? Tell me about it. Leave us a comment. I want to know what you guys do, because this is kind of fun actually. Oh yeah, that cheese is melting. But yeah, I would use some au jus for sure. But we'd toast this up. But we'll wait. All right, so we're pulling the veggies off.
Did get a little caramelization there. That's cool. Oh shoot, that's cheesy. I think that'll do it for you. I do is cut a Sammy like this in half.
Oh yeah.
So you're gonna have to like, you know, put it in your mouth.
How is it?
It's good. It's good. I just don't want to blow away.
It's good.
What do you think?
That's really good. All right, people, we're gonna eat these sandwiches. This is good. That can be filming. This is tasty. This is really good. All right, talk to you guys in a bit. I'm hungry. All right, so we just finished up those tasty boat cheese steak sandwiches. That was delicious. That was a first for us. We have some ideas to kind of improve upon it. So I think we'll do that here again in the near future, but that was delicious. Mixing it up for sure. Yeah. Awesome. So I hope you guys like this video. We like making this video. So we're just gonna go ahead and spend some time together. We still have our setup here on shore, so we're gonna relax. See you guys in the next one.